As long as you haven't been living under a rock, you've probably noticed a lot of chatter around rising interest rates. The Bank of Canada recently announced their 5th straight increase to the overnight rate, to a level not seen since 2008. Let's first look at why. The simple answer is to bring down inflation. Inflation is the sustained upward movement in the overall price of goods and services in an economy. Okay, even that went over my head. So here's a simpler version. It's a comparison of what you paid for groceries and gas 1 year ago compared to what you pay today. Typically, the government is happy with a 2% inflation rate to help economic growth. Recently, we've seen upwards of 8% inflation, which is way too high. To combat this, the government raises interest rates to discourage spending. This lessens the demand for goods and services, hopefully lowering prices and bringing inflation back to that target of 2%. So how does this relate to mortgages? If you're in a variable mortgage or have a home equity line of credit, you've probably been seeing your payments increase significantly over the last 8 months and are likely asking yourself, should I be locking into a fixed rate? If you have a variable rate, you're likely getting a discount to prime by about 1%, so you're sitting around a 4.5% interest rate. If you're looking at locking into a 5-year fixed term, it would be around 4.6% for the next 5 years, with no chance of going lower, along with hefty exit penalties if you ever needed to sell, or wanted to jump back into a variable because rates are dropping. Simply put, don't panic. Unfortunately, you can't have it both ways, and it's best not to chase the rates. Historically, over the last 50 years, variable rates on average do save you interest over the lifetime of your mortgage. But you have to be able to withstand the higher interest waves like we're seeing right now. That said, if you're currently in a fixed rate mortgage, you won't see any change until it's time to renew. If you are up for renewal and aren't sure what to do, give us a shout. We'd love to answer the questions you may have and provide a viable solution that works for you and your family.